now that demand is growing and energy companies need to grow as well if they want to take advantage of the opportunities out there. And it's very, very important that we are able to empower our people as well, enable them to be more productive and efficient. And we have to be able to provide them with the right tools. And if we remain manual, it will be very hard for us to actually serve or even take advantage of those opportunities outside.
It's a synonymous industry, right? Energy, efficiency, and so on. If your operations don't tend to be efficient, I don't think that's the way forward, right? So, becoming digital and digital transformation as a whole is going to be the biggest priority for any energy company. If it's renewable, it's even more, I guess. The primary challenge is people believe they have to solve everything conventionally as such. The world is changing, right? If you go 20 years back, where the West was building systems, we were putting people into the problem, right? I think still some of the organizations are stuck up throwing people at the problem rather than seeing the world around. In the next 10 years, most of your people or your employee would be Gen Z who are who just will not be happy seeing at box systems. It's time to look at your entire organization, say, can my entire organization be full of problem solvers rather than, people cribbing about these problems? I think that change of thought process is the biggest mandate which every transformational leader should pick it up. The conventional way of building things in terms of software is you hire a large IT team which has developers, testers, designers. You take up the whole infrastructure problem on you. You host the setup, which means anytime I do things, I will have to do a, even if you adopt as agile methodology, it's immense work, right? Because as IT team, we do not know the business requirement fully. I have to sit with the business, try and understand the business, codify the business, give them the whole part and do it. It's just a very cumbersome way of doing things, right? Today, the way which a flow code platform or a no code platform like Kissflow, what it does is that it enables both the parties, right? IT, instead of custom coding everything and building and taking, 8 months or a year to roll out an application, they can build a rapid application within Kissflow in few months, right? And at the same time, other end of the spectrum, where IT cannot focus and solve all the problems in their organization, we're enabling business to solve some of the low-hanging fruits themselves, right? And of course, the IT acts as the COE and kind of governs this whole process so that the quality of the output is not messed up. It still lives up to the standard which the organization has set, right? And that is what a platform like Kissflow can do. It enables both sides of the organization to solve the problem, top down and bottom up, and thereby being more inclusive about the way we solve the problems.
I would say it's because it's about enabling or making people more productive, making people become more efficient in the way they do things, and making sure that we are able to eliminate, again, non-value adding activities. So that would definitely help these people focus on more value adding activities like, making sure we are able to optimize our revenue. So, yeah, to answer your question, it may not seem to be very direct because, of course, we generate power. That's the direct revenue that's the direct process that we get revenue. But in terms of, making sure the people working in ensuring that we are able to generate it efficiently, all the tasks that we have, we should be able to be efficient as well. In Snap, we continuous improvement is part of how we do things. So, and with Kissflow as well, we have other enterprise systems like the ERP. We're integrating it already. And definitely from in the future, the data that we have in Kissflow that we want to use for future insights, definitely we need to integrate it as well to our data warehouse and making sure that we will be able to make use of the data that we have as well.